subscribe.
Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Zookeeper Goofy. Goofy is the zookeeper today. Uh-oh, he has lost all the animals.
Don't worry, Goof,
Mickey says.
we'll find them.
Oh, Toodles! Mickey calls. Toodles zips over with 4 mousecatools, a bullhorn, a blanket, a piggy bank, and a mystery tool.
Now let's start looking,
says Mickey. Goofy calls for the cows, but the cows don't answer.
Time for a mousecatool,
says Mickey. Goofy chooses the bullhorn and calls again. This time a cow answers. Mickey and Goofy follow the sound.
Oh boy,
Mickey says.
how do we get the cows off that island?
He sees a sailboat, but it's missing a sail. Goofy says,
We can use the blanket mousecatool for a sail.
with the blanket raised, the friends cross the water to get the cows.
Here, piggies,
Goofy calls. The pigs are riding the Ferris wheel at Pete's carnival. Pete won't let them off until they pay for the ride. The pigs don't have any money. Goofy remembers the piggy bank mousecatool. It's full of coins. The pals pay Pete for the pig's ride. The last missing animal is an elephant. Donald helps Mickey and Goofy search. Suddenly, they hear a blast from the tree. This tricky situation calls for Toodles. One mystery mousecatool is left. Peanuts. If the pals shake the peanuts, maybe the little guy will come down.
it's working,
Says Goofy.
Way to go, Goof.
Says Mickey.
All the animals are back at the petting zoo. Gosh,
Says Goofy.
being a zookeeper sure is hard work.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Mouse Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.